let's talk about menstruation cups again. Okay, let's try to figure out are menstruation cup dangerous for us or not. Let's try to figure out this question. And what the thing to consider when we are talking about menstruation cup is menstruation cup are generally regarded as safe within the medical community. Although there are some risks, they are considered minimum and unlikely to occur when the cup is used as recommended. It is also important to consider that all menstruation products carry some degree of risk. It ultimately comes down to finding the product and method that you are most comfortable with. Here, what you need to know about using menstruation cup. Okay, what are the potential risks? You are more likely to experience mild irritation from wearing the wrong cup size than you are to develop a severe complication like toxic shock syndrome. Understanding how and why these complications occur can help you reduce your overall risk of adverse effects. The first of one is irritation. Irritation can happen for a number of reasons, and for the most part they are all preventable. For example, inserting the cup without proper lubrication can cause discomfort. In many cases, applying a small amount of water-based tube to the outside of the cup can help prevent this. Be sure to read manufacturer recommendation on the product packing for further clarification. Irritation can also occur if the cup isn't the right size or if isn't it cleaned properly between users. We will discuss cup selection and care later in our another video. Infection. Second one is infection. Infection is a rare complication of menstruation cup use. If an infection does occur, it's more likely from the transfer of bacteria on hand to the cup than from the cup itself. For example, yeast infection and bacterial vaginosis can develop if bacteria in the vagina and subsequently vaginal pH become imbalanced. You can reduce your risk by washing your hands thoroughly with warm water and antibacterial soap before handling the cup. You should also wash your cup with warm water and mild fragrance-free water-based soap before and after use. One over-the-counter soap to try this: Neutrogena liquid soap, scent-free, oil-free cleanser made for infants are also good alternatives, such as Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser or dermatized soap free wash. And the next one is TSS. Toxic shock syndrome is a rare but serious complication that can result from certain bacterial infection. It occurs when Staphylococcus or Streptococcus bacteria, which naturally exist on your skin, nose and mouth, are pushed deeper into the body. TSS is typically associated with leaving a tampon inserting for longer than recommended or wearing a tampon with a higher than needed absorbability. Here we are going to give you some tips that how you can reduce your risk of TSS by washing your hands thoroughly and with warm water and antibacterial soap before removing or inserting your cup. Second one is cleansing your cup as recommended by the manufacturer, usually with warm water and mild fragrance-free, oil-free soap before insertions. Number 3. Applying a small amount of water or water-based tube per manufacturer instruction to the outside of the cup to add in insertion. Okay guys, this is all about this video. We will gonna meet in our next video very soon about menstruation problem solution. Have a great day till then. Bye bye, take care.